Hi, my name is Rihanna Current, and today I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on Google Photos on how to do some simple and easy tasks. Before I list those tasks off, I'm going to move the camera real quick. So these tasks are how to organize photos, how to edit photos with basic fixes, tuning, and effects, how to share photos, how to add details to images, and how to create a photo album. So the first thing is going to be how to organize photos. In order to organize photos, you have to do it in an album. So let's go right down. It's on the left side right over here, right below photos, and go to albums. You can also do it by going to the top right here with the 3 lines and go down to where albums is. Once you do that, go ahead and click one of your albums that you have, if you have some. And I'm just going to click dance photos. Once you do that, all you have to do is go to the right over here, and click the 3 little dots and go down 3 bars to where it says Edit Album. Once you do that, you can move your photos around in any order you would want. So say I want this one last and that one first. All you have to do is move it. And you can also edit the name of your album here. So say instead of dance photos, I would like dance paintings. Once you're all done editing your album, all you have to do is go to the left right over here and click the check mark. The next thing I'm going to be teaching you how to do is how to edit photos, basic fixes, tunings, and effects. You can do this by, you have to click a certain photo, and you can do that either inside the albums or just go to photos and double click one. So let's just double click this one. Loading real quick. Once you do that, go to the right of the photo on the corner and click the 3 lines right here. It says edit. Loading again. Once you do that, it should pop up on the right side some filters. This is the different filters you can do. And you can edit by how much you want to show of it. And say you don't want that anymore, you can just do undo edits. You can also click in the center one, and this is how to edit the light, color, and pop. So that's to make the color pop. And then instead of, you also have these little arrows right here. That's how to do even more edits with all these different kinds right here. And if you want to just hide them again, just click the arrow again. And then once you can also rotate it by clicking this button right here, or move the lines right here, or move this over here to tilt it. Once you've done all your editing, you can just click the done button and just click it done again. The next thing is how to share photos. I'm just going to stay on this photo. You have to make sure you click a photo, not an album. You can also share an album, but let's first do a photo. This, all you have to do is click the little triangle right here, and it says share. You can type in their email and it'll pop up right here. You can also create a link and copy it, and you can also share it to Facebook and Twitter. To do it by album, let's just do that real quick. Just click an album and just go to, again, where the little triangle thing is, and you can share it. The next thing is how to add details of a photo. Again, I'm going to click this photo, and then just click the little eye with a circle. It says info, and you can just type in any description you want here and put a date for it. And then the last thing I'm going to be teaching you today is how to create a photo album. Again, fairly simple. All you have to do is go over to where it says albums, go over to the albums tab again, and then right here it says create album. Click that, and then once you do that, you just type in a name and then add the photos you want. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you.